Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Divye Nashtupraeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttam Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki. So continuing with the discussion on Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Antya-lila, chapter 10. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepts prasadam from his devotees. Text number 1 onward. Vande Shri Krishna Chaitanyam Bhaktanugraha Kataram Yena Kenapi Santushtam Bhakta Dattena Shraddhaya. Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is always pleased to accept anything given with faith and love by his devotees, and is always ready to bestow mercy upon them. Jai Jai Gaurachandra, Jai Nityananda, Jai Advaita Chandra, Jai Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. All glories to Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all glories to Lord Nityananda Prabhu, all glories to Advaita Chandra, and all glories to all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya. Varshantare sab bhakta prabhu re dekhite, paramanande sabe nilachal jaite. The next year, all the devotees were very pleased to go to Jagannath Puri, Nilachal, to see Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Advaita Acharya Gosai Sarva Agraganya Acharya Ratna Acharya Nidhi Srivasadi Dhanya. Advaita Acharya Gosai led the party from Bengal. He was followed by Acharya Ratna, Acharya Nidhi, Srivas Thakur, and other glorious devotees. यद्यपि प्रभुर आज्ञा गौड़े रही थे, तथापि नित्यानंद प्रेमे चलीला देखी थे. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had ordered Lord Nityananda to stay in Bengal, but nevertheless, because of ecstatic love, Lord Nityananda also went to see him. Anuragera Lakshanai Vidhi Nahi Mane, Tara Agya Bhange Tara Sangera Karane. Indeed, it's a symptom of real affection that one breaks the orders of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, not caring for the regulative principles to associate with him. रासे याइचे घर याइते गोपीरे आज्ञा दीला तार आज्ञा भांगी तार संगे से रहीला. During the Rasa dance, Krishna asked all the gopis to return home, but they neglected his order and stayed there for his association. आज्ञा पालने कृष्णेर याइचे परितोषा प्रेमे आज्ञा भांगिले है कोटि सुख पोषा. If one carries out Krishna's order, Krishna is certainly pleased. But if someone sometimes breaks his order due to ecstatic love, that gives him millions of times greater happiness. But this breaking the order has to be due to ecstatic love, not some mental speculation. So we have to be at that level. Just like Lord Ram, when he was going to leave for the exile, he didn't ask Lakshman to come with him. In fact, he told Lakshman not to come with him. He told Sita ji also not to come with him. But they both didn't listen to Ram. So, but it was their ecstatic love, bhav, prem for Ram. And obviously, so many other devotees afterwards. Sumantji, he told Sumanji to go back. He didn't listen. And the conversation between Lord Ram and Kevat, again, Kevat was not listening to what Ram was saying. But that was all because of ecstatic love, not some mental speculation. Huge difference. Vasudeva Datta Murari Gupta Ganga Das Shriman Sen Shriman Pandit Kinchan Krishna Das Murari Garuda Pandit Buddhimanta Khan Sanjay Purushottam Pandit Bhagavan Shuklambar Narsimhananda Aryata Jana Sabai Chalila Nam न जाए लिखान। वासुदेव दत्त, मुरारी गुप्ता, गंगादास, श्रीमान सेन, श्रीमान पंडित, अकिंचन कृष्णदास, मुरारी, गरुड़ पंडित, बुद्धिमंत खान, संजय पुरुषोत्तम, भगवान पंडित, शुक्लांबर ब्रह्मचारी, नरसिम्हानंद ब्रह्मचारी, and many others joined together to go to Jagannath Puri. It would be impossible to mention the names of them all. कुलिन ग्रामी खंडवासी मिलिलासी, शिवानंद सेन चलीला सबारे लाए। The inhabitants of Kulingram and Khanda also came and joined. Shivanand Sen took the leadership and thus started taking care of them all. Raga Pandit chale jhali sajai ya damayanti yat dravya diyache kari. Raga Pandit came with bags full of food prepared very nicely by his sister Damayanti. So this Damayanti jhali is still very famous. And she would make different kinds of pickles and chutneys and other items for Mahaprabhu, so he could eat for rest of the year. That much food she would send. Nana apurva bhakshya dravya prabhur yogya bhoga vatsar ek prabhu yaha karena upayoga. Damayanti made varieties of unparalleled food just suitable for Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to eat. The Lord ate it continually for 1 year. Amra Kashandi, Ada Kashandi, Jhala Kashandi Nam, Nemu Ada Amra Kholi, Vividha Vidhan, Anshi Ama Khanda Tailamra, Ama Satta, Yatna Kari, Gunda Kari, Purana Shukuta. These are the names of some of the pickles and condiments in the bags of Raga. Amra Kashandi, Ada Kashandi, Jhala Kashandi, Nembu Ada, Amra Koli, Anshi, Am Khanda, Telamra, Am Sapta. With great attention, Damayanti also made dried bitter vegetables into a powder. Sukuta Bali Avagyana Kariha Chitte, Shukutaye Sai Shukha Prabhur, Natahe Nahe Panchamrite. Do not neglect Sukuta because it is bitter preparation. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu derived more happiness from eating the Shukta than from drinking Panchamrit, a preparation of milk, sugar, ghee, honey, and yogurt. Bhavagrahi Mahaprabhu, Sneh Matra Lahe, Shukuta Pata Kashandite, Mahasukha Pahi. Since Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he extracts the purpose from everything. He accepted Damayanti's affection for him, and therefore he derived great pleasure even from the dried bitter leaves of Shukta and from Kashandi, a sour condiment. मनुष्य बुद्धि दमयंती करे प्रभुर पाए गुरु भोजने उदरे कभु आम हाय हाय. Because of a natural love for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Damayanti considered the Lord an ordinary human being. Therefore, she thought that he would become sick by overeating and there would be mucus within his abdomen. Because of pure love, the devotees of Krishna in Golok Vrindavan, Vrajbhumi, loved Krishna as an ordinary human being like them. Yet, although they considered Krishna one of them, their love for Krishna knew no bounds. Similarly, because of extreme love, devotees like Raghava Pandit and his sister Damayanti thought of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as a human being, but their love for him was boundless. By overeating, an ordinary human being becomes prone to a disease called Amla Pitta, which is a product of indigestion characterized by acidity of the stomach. Damayanti thought that such a condition would afflict Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shukta khaile sei ama hai beka nasha, ei sneha mane bhavi prabhura ulasa. Because of sincere affection, she thought that eating this Shukta would cure the Lord's disease. Considering these affectionate thoughts of Damayanti, the Lord was very pleased. Priyena sangratya vipaksha sannidhav upahitam vakshasi pivra stani. Srajamna kachita vijahu jalavilam vasanti hi premni guna na vastuni. A dear lover strung a garland and placed it on the shoulder of his beloved in the presence of her co-wives. She had raised breasts and was very beautiful, yet although the garland was tainted with mud, she did not reject it, for its value lay not in material things, but in love. This is a verse from Kirat Arjuniya by Bharavi. धनिया मो हरीर तांडुल गुंडा करिया नाडु बंदियाचे chini pak kariya. Damayanti powdered coriander and anise seeds, cooked them with sugar and made them into sweetmeats in the shape of small balls. Shunthi khanda naduara ama pittahara prithak prithak bandi vatsrera kutali bhitara. She made sweetmeat balls with dried ginger to remove mucus caused by too much bile. She put all these preparations separately into small cloth bags. So how long it must be taking Damayanti to prepare everything? Koli shunthi, koli churna, koli khandara, kata nama laiba shat prakarachara. She made 100 varieties of condiments and pickles. She also made koli shunthi, koli churna, koli khanda, and many other preparations. How many should I name? Narikela khanda nadu, ara nadu ganga jala, cheras thai khanda vikara karila sakka. She made many sweetmeats in the shape of balls. Some were made with powdered coconut, and others looked as white as the water of the Ganga. In this way, she made many varieties of long-lasting sugar confections. Chirasthai kshira sara, mandadi vikara, amrita karpura adi aneka prakara. She made long-lasting cheese, many varieties of sweetmeats with milk and cream, and many other varied preparations such as amrit karpura. Shalika chuti dhanera atab chidakari, nutan vasrera bada kutu, kutali sababhari. She made flat rice from fine, unboiled shali paddy and filled a large bag made of new cloth. Kateka chila hudum kari gritete bhajiya, chini pake nadu kaila karpuradi diya. She made some of the flat rice into puffed rice, fried it in ghee, cooked it in sugar juice, mixed it in some camphor and rolled it into balls. Shali dhanera tandul bhaja churna kariya, krita shikta churna kaila chini pakadi. Karpura maricha lavanga ilaichi rasavasa, churna diya nadu kaila parama suvasa. She powdered 5 grains of fine rice, moistened the powder with ghee and cooked it in the solution of sugar. She then added camphor, black pepper, cloves, cardamom, and other spices and rolled the mixture into balls that were very palatable and aromatic. Shali dhanera khaipuna grihete bhajiya, chini pak ukhadat kaila karpuradidiya. She took the parched rice from fine paddy, fried it in ghee, cooked it in sugar solution, mixed in some camphor, and thus made a preparation called ukhada or mudki. Futkalai churna kari grite bhajaila, chini pake karpuradi diya nadu kaila. Another variety of sweet was made with fused peas that were powdered, fried in ghee, and then cooked in sugar juice. Camphor was added and then the mixture was rolled into balls. Kahite na jani nam, ejan me jahara, aiche nana bhaksha dravya sahasra prakara. I could not mention the names of all these wonderful eatables, even in a lifetime. Damayanti made hundreds and thousands of varieties. Raghvera agya ar karindamayanti, duhare prabhute snehe parama bhakati. Damayanti made all these preparations following the order of her brother Raghu Pandit. Both of them had unlimited affection for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and were advanced in devotional service. गंगा मृतिकानि वस्त्रे छानी पान पाद पड़ी करिया तेला गंध द्रव्य दिया. Damayanti took earth from the Ganga, dried it, powdered it, strained it through a fine cloth, mixed in aromatic ingredients, and rolled it into small balls. Wow. पातल मृत पात्रे संधनादि भारी आर सब वस्तु भरे वस्रेर कुटाली. The condiments and similar items were put into thin earthen pots, and everything else was put into small cloth bags. सामान्य झाली हैते द्विगुण झाली कैला पारी पाटी कारी सब झाली भर आईला. From small bags, Damayanti made bags that were twice as large, and then with great attention she filled all the large ones with the small ones. झाली भांदी मोहर दिला आग्रह करिया तीन बोजारी झाली वहे क्रम करिया. She then wrapped and sealed each and every bag with great attention. The bags were carried by 3 bearers, one after another. संक्षेपे कहिलु ऐ झाली रविचार राघवेर झाली भली विख्याति जहार. Thus I briefly described the bags that have become famous as Raghavera Jhali. Okay, so not Damayanti Jhali, Raghavera Jhali, Raghav Pandit's bags. झाली रूपर मुंशिवा मकर ध्वज कर प्राण रूपे झाली राखे हया तत्पर. The superintendent for all those bags were Makar Dhwajkar, who kept them with great attention, like his very life. Ei mate Vaishnav sab nila chale aila, Deve Jagannathe se din jal leela. Thus all the Vaishnavas from Bengal went to Jagannath. By chance they arrived on the day when Lord Jagannath performs pastimes in the water. नरेंद्र जल गोविंद नौका ते चढ़ी जल क्रीड़ा करे सब भक्तगण लाई. Boarding a boat in the water of Narendra Sarovar, Lord Govinda performed his water pastimes with all the devotees. So there's a Noka Vihar, that is before Snan Purnima. So all the devotees reached at that time. In fact, till today, not on the Snan Purnima. I think they do it on Gundicha Marjan day or a day before Gundicha Marjan. So still in Gambhira, the devotees who come from Bengal, they bring lots of items for for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Of course, they are not the same as mentioned here. Mostly what I have seen there, like chips and drinks. But still, the point is they still bring every year for Chaitanya. So lots of baskets I have seen. Sei kale Mahaprabhu Bhakta Gana Sange Narendra Aila Dekhite Jal Keli Range. Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu arrived with his personal associates to see the jubilant pastimes of Lord Govinda in Narendra Sarovar. Sei kale aila sab goler bhakt gan Narendra te Prabhu sange haila milan. At the same time, all the devotees from Bengal arrived at the lake and had a great meeting with the Lord. Bhakt gan pade asi Prabhu charan uthaya Prabhu sabare kaila halingan. All the devotees immediately fell at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and the Lord lifted and embraced every one of them. Gaudiya Sampradaya sab kare na kirtan Prabhur milane uthe premera krangan. The Gaudiya Sampradaya, consisting of all the devotees from Bengal, began congregational chanting. When they met the Lord, they began to cry loudly in ecstatic love. Jal Krida Vadya Gita Nartana Kirtana Mahakola Hal Tire Salile Khelan. Because of the pastimes in the water, there was great jubilation on the shore, with music, singing, chanting, and dancing, creating a tumultuous sound. Gaudiya Sankirtane aar rodan mili, Mahakola haila Brahmanda bhariya. Indeed, the chanting and crying of the Gaudiya Vaishnavas mixed and created a tumultuous sound, vibration that filled the entire universe. सब भक्त लया प्रभु नामी लेन जले सब लया जल क्रीड़ा करें कुतूहले. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu entered the water with his devotees and began his pastimes with them in great jubilation. Prabhu Rai Jal Krila Dasa Vrindavana Chaitanya Mangale Vistari Karyachen Varnam. In his Chaitanya Mangal, now known as Chaitanya Bhagavat, Vrindavan Das Thakur has given a detailed description of the activities the Lord performed in the water. Punaiha Varnile Punarakti Punar Uktihaya Vyartha Likhanhaya Aragrantha Balaya. There is no use in again describing here the activities of the Lord. It would simply be repetitious and would increase the size of this book. Jal Leela Kari Govind Chalila Laya Nija Gana Laya Prabhu Gela Devalaya. After concluding his pastimes in the water, Lord Govinda returned to his residence. Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to the temple, taking all his devotees with him. The deity referred to herein as Govinda is the Vijay Vigraha in the temple of Jagannath. When there is a need to take Jagannath somewhere, the Vijay Vigraha is taken because the body of Jagannath is very heavy. The Vijay Vigraha in the Jagannath temple is known as Govinda. For the pastimes in Narendra Sarovar, the Vijay Vigraha was carried there instead of Lord Jagannath. So that's the Utsav Murti. So he is the one who goes everywhere. Jagannath dekhi puna nij ghare aila, prasad anaya bhakta gane khaya aila. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned to his residence after visiting the temple of Jagannath, he asked for a large quantity of Lord Jagannath's prasada, which he then distributed among his devotees so that they could eat sumptuously. Ishta Goshti Savalaya Katakshana Kahila, Nija Nija Puru Vasaya Savaye Pathaila. After talking with all the devotees for some time, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked them to occupy the individual residences in which they had lived the previous year. Govinda Thai Raghav Jhali Samarpila, Bhojan Grihera Kone Jhali, Govinda Rakhila. Raghav Pandit delivered the bags of eatables to Govinda, who kept them in a corner of the dining room. Puru Vatsarer Jhali, Ajada Kariya, Dravya Bhari Bhare Rakhi Anya Grihelaya. Govinda thoroughly emptied the bags from the previous year and kept them in another room to fill them with other goods. Aradina Mahaprabhu Nija Ganalaya, Jagannath Dekhi Lena, Shayuthane Layaya. The next day, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went with his personal devotees to see Lord Jagannath. And Lord Jagannath arose early in the morning, means for Mangala Arti. Bela Sankirtan taha arambha karila, Shata Sampradaya tabe kaite lagila. After seeing Lord Jagannath, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began his all-encompassing Sankirtan. He formed 7 groups, which then began to chant. Shata Sampradaya Nitya Kare Sata Jana Advaita Acharya Ara Prabhu Nityananda. In each of the 7 groups was a principal dancer such as Advaita Acharya or Lord Nityananda. Vakreshwar Achyutananda, Pandit Shrivasa, Satya Raja Khana Ara Narahari Dasa. The dancers in the other groups were Vakreshwar Pandit Achyutanand, Pandit Shrivas, Satyaraj Khan and Narahari Das. Sata Sampradaya Prabhu Karena Brahmana, Mora Sampradaya Prabhu Aicha Sabharman. As Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu walked from one group to another, inspecting them, the men in each group thought, the Lord is within our group. Sankirtan Kola Hale Akasha Bhedila, Sab Jagannath Vasi Dekhite Aila. The congregational chanting made a tumultuous roar that filled the sky. All the inhabitants of Jagannath Puri came to see the kirtan. राजा आसी दूरे देखे निज गण लाया, राजपत्नी सब देखे अट्टाली चाड़िया. Accompanied by his personal staff, the king also came there and watched from a distance, and all the queens watched from the elevated parts of the palace. कीर्तनाटो पे पृथ्वी करे टलमाला, हरि ध्वनि करे लोक हैला कोलाहल. Due to the forceful vibration of kirtan, the entire world began trembling. When everyone chanted the holy name, they made a tumultuous sound. Ei mat kat kshana karaila kirtana, apane nachite tabu prabhu raila man. In this way, the Lord had congregational chanting performed for some time, and then he himself desired to dance. सात दिके सात संप्रदाय गाए बजाए मध्य महाप्रेमा वेशे नाचे गौर राय. The 7 groups began chanting and beating their drums in 7 directions. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began dancing in the center in great ecstatic. Udiya pad Mahaprabhu mane smriti haila, swarupera sahi pad gaite agya dila. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remembered a line in the Odishan language and ordered Swarup Damodar to sing it. Jagmohan pari munda jao. Let my head fall at the feet of Jagannath in the Kirtan hall known as Jagmohan. Ei pad nitya karen paramavesh sab loka chodike prabhu prema jal bhashi. Simply because of this line, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dancing in greatly ecstatic love. People around him floated in the water of his tears. Bol bolan balin Prabhu, Shri Bahutuliya, Hari Dhwani kare loka anande bhashi. Raising his 2 arms, the Lord said, chant, chant. Floating in transcendental bliss, the people responded by chanting the holy names of Hari. Prabhu padi murcha jaye, shwas nahi aara, achambite uthe Prabhu kariya hunkar. The Lord fell to the ground unconscious, not even breathing. Then suddenly he stood up, making a loud sound. Saghan pulak yena simulera taru, kabhu prafulita anga kabhu hai saru. The hairs on his body constantly stood up like the thorns on a shimul tree. Sometimes his body was swollen and sometimes lean and thin. Prati Roma kupe hai prashaveda raktogam, jaj gag puri mum, gad vachan. He bled and perspired from every pore of his body. His voice faltered, unable to say the line properly, uttered only Jaja Gaga Pari Mum. Ek ek dant ye na prithak prithak nade, aiche nade danta jena purne khasi pari. All his teeth shook as if each was separate from the others. Indeed, they seemed about to fall to the ground. Shane shane bade Prabhu Ananda Vesha, Tritiya Prahara Haida, Nitina Hishesha. His transcendental bliss increased at every moment. Therefore, even by mid-afternoon, the dancing had not ended. Sab loker uthaila anand sagar, sab loka pasharila dehatmaka. The ocean of transcendental bliss overflowed, and everyone present forgot his body, mind, and home. Tabe Nityananda Prabhu Srijila Upaya, Krame Krame Kirtaniya Rakila Sabha. Then Lord Nityananda found a way to end the kirtan. He gradually stopped all the chanters. Swarupera Sange Matra Eka Sampradaya Swarupera Sange Seham Swaraga. Thus only one group continued chanting with Swarup Damodar, and they chanted very softly. So wonderful kirtan, but this is what he came to taste the mood and the emotions of Srimati Radharani. And this is what he was tasting in this kirtan pastime. But one thing we have to see, and further on also some chapters are there, some more description of his getting into ecstasy. When Srimati Radharani is in this mood of ecstasy, we never hear her teeth are about to fall off and every teeth was moving differently and she was falling on the ground like that. So even Krishna could not control himself when he feels the ecstasies of Radharani. But Radharani, she controls herself completely. That's how her love for Krishna, or she doesn't want to show it to everybody. That's how great she is. But anyway, I want to stop here because I had asked Shashwati Mataji to come and speak a little because she has just completed her Bhakti Shastri course. And I want to motivate, encourage everybody to come and speak, preach. This is a class, you can preach and no problem. So Shashwati Mataji is there, whatever she has prepared, she can speak on. Yes, Mataji, it's all yours.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Prabhuji, I honestly have not prepared anything, Prabhuji, to be very
Whatever you have
truthful to
prepared,
everybody.
whatever you spoke on in Bhakti Shastri class, you can speak.
Yes, Prabhuji, I'll just share my experience with all devotees.
Okay.
So, yes, Prabhuji. So, सभी को हरे कृष्णा and दंडवत प्रणाम सभी को. तो मैंने जब ये कोर्स के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन किया था, उससे प्री वाला स्टेज में बताना चाहूंगी. 2 साल पहले जब मेरे मेंटर ने मुझे बोला कि आप ये कोर्स कर लो माता जी, ये कोर्स कर लो. आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना. आई डोंट हैव टाइम फ्रॉम वर्क, फ्रॉम घर का काम, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो मैंने 2 साल तक ना आई केप्ट ऑन लिंगरिंग कि मुझे नहीं करना. मैं एक लेक्चर सुन रही थी, उसमें ये था कि जब हम नॉलेज को लेते हैं और हम जब उसको आगे नहीं पास ऑन करते तो वी आर समटाइम्स कॉल्ड एज स्टीलर्स. तो वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग. तो मुझे शायद वो बात बहुत खटकी और मुझे लगा कि यस, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड फिर मैंने सोचा कि ओके, आई स्पोक टू माय सीनियर्स. दे टोल्ड मी दैट प्रीचिंग करना होगा तो उसके लिए यू हैव टू हैव अ, वो पूरा अच्छे से पढ़ना होगा तुम्हें 1 साल लगा के. एंड देन दैट्स हाउ आई एनरोल्ड फॉर दिस कोर्स. जब कोर्स किया मैंने उस दिन प्रभुपाद को बस यही प्रे किया, प्रभुपाद आपकी प्रसन्नता के लिए मैं ये कर रही हूँ, मेरी योग्यता नहीं है, बट आप ही कराना, बेड़ा पार लगाना आप ही. एंड आई थिंक प्रभु जी, मेरा जो पूरा जर्नी था, मुझे कहीं पे भी जैसे बहुत सारे डिवोटीज दे गिव अप इन बिटवीन, मुझे ऐसा कहीं पे भी नहीं लगा कि आई शुड गिव अप. बस एक एक वो माइन्यूट थॉट आया था व्हेन आई फेल्ट दैट कि मे बी आई शुड, इट इज इट नीड्स मोर टाइम एंड ऑल दैट. बट वो भी आई थिंक 2 मिनट में मेरा चला गया था. एंड फिर प्रभुपाद ने बहुत हेल्प की कि मैंने एग्जाम सब क्लियर कर लिया, श्लोका वगैरह टेस्ट भी अच्छे से हो गए. बट प्रभु जी, वी रेड 4 बुक्स एंड ये 4 बुक्स इतने सुंदर थे. मैंने तो ईशोपनिषद कभी नहीं पढ़ा था. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस बुक. एंड जो इसका ईशावास्य सिद्धांत इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. एंड आई कुड रिलेट एवरी बिट ऑफ इट इन माई लाइफ. एंड पहले प्रभु जी, बिफोर व्हेन आई डिडंट डू दिस कोर्स, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं तो 16 माला कर रही हूँ, 4 नियमों का पालन कर रही हूँ, आई एम अ गुड डिवोटी. बट ये कोर्स करने के बाद इट्स लाइक आई फील दैट बिफोर आई यूज्ड टू सी दैट भक्ति इज अ बिग सागर एंड हमें इस सागर में ही रहना है. और ये जो पूरे कोर्स के टाइम पे मुझे ऐसा लगा दैट somebody told us that take a dip in the ocean, and we took a dip and then suddenly we were pulled out, like जैसे वो फिश को खींच देते हैं ना, वैसा. एंड मैं यही बोल रही थी कि बिफोर आई कुड सी एंड ऑब्जर्व एंड टेक इट इनटू माय अंदर अंतर आत्मा तक, मुझे ऐसा लगा किसी ने मेरा सर खींच के निकाल दिया. बोला कि आ जाओ अब. And I was telling this to my director that maybe we should have this course, spread out so that वो करके हम वो practical utilization भी start करें. So very very important. And NOI जो book हमारा था उसमें आपने NOI पढ़ाया था हमने इस क्लास में पढ़ा है. But I don't know, when we were reading that, मुझे इतने goosebumps आ रहे थे. मैंने कहा कि this is like a manual for devotees. I mean, every day I think someone should read it. If not possible, at least एक week में या एक महीने में तो ये read करना ही करना है ताकि आप grounded रहो. And भगवत गीता तो we all know, प्रभु जी, it is very very blissful. जितना भी आप सुन लो वो आपको हर टाइम कुछ ना कुछ नया सिखाता ही है. So there were so many new things. I think मैंने सुना था या इस बार मुझे प्रभुपाद स्पेशली मेरे को बता रहे थे कि ये सुन ये तेरे लिए है. तो बहुत ही अच्छा अनुभूति था प्रभु जी. एंड NOD तो पहली बार पढ़ा था तो उसमें तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि दिस इज लाइक अ माइंड बॉगलिंग बुक. मतलब जितना भी पढ़ो ऐसा लग रहा है कि और है. सो I think प्रभु जी मैं अर्चना माता जी आई हुई थी कॉन्वोकेशन में. एंड I was telling her that this whole experience was very fruitful. I think मैंने 2 साल डिले किया but I should have done it पहले. एंड अगर अभी इस साल नहीं करती मैं तो it would have been more difficult आगे because but अब मुझे ये पता चला है कि we always procrastinate. Like हम बोलते ना हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, हमारे पास काम है, ये है वो है. बट अगर हम सीरियसली एक्चुअली एक चीज के लिए सोच ले कि हमें ये करना है तो आई थिंक कृष्णा मेक्स आउट द टाइम फॉर अस. दिस आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट मैं पहले जैसे बोलती थी कि टाइम नहीं है, घर के काम है, शानवी को पढ़ाना है. बट while doing this course I said ये टाइम कहाँ से आया, ये तो मेरे ही स्केड्यूल से था, ये टाइम कहाँ से आया. So then I was thinking, we just have this habit of, pushing things कि अभी नहीं. But whenever it is given, we should just take it. So, कल मैं हमारी एक सेशन हो रही थी तो उसमें एक प्रभु जी बोल रहे थे कि when any service comes to you, you don't choose the service chooses you. So you should take it. तो मैंने कल भी सोचा, मैंने प्रभु जी को मना किया कि प्रभु जी मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी. मैंने कहा कि मैं ठीक है at 8:30 because 8 o'clock I had a different class तो for जन्माष्टमी. तो मैंने कहा 8:30 में ज्वाइन करूंगी after the class ends because प्रभु जी has told me to come and I will not because कल ही मैंने ये सुना है क्लास में से. So yes, Prabhuji, this is my, realizations that I have had during the journey of this whole process. And yes, Dekte Prabhuji, sometime maybe when I am more prepared, I will definitely do a katha here in the class. No problem, Prabhuji, I'll do that. It's a promise from my side. I'll do it.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Mataji. I'm really glad and congratulations, Mataji. Many congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations, Mataji.
You know my first class I gave many years ago, obviously, and it was only for 5 minutes. I could not speak afterwards. I had nothing. And of course, it was within just a close group of devotees. So they said, well, we have to start somewhere. It's okay. I was also hesitating in giving classes. But this is how it started. So we all have to start somewhere. Doesn't matter how. So just next time, just be prepared. Next Sunday again,
yes, Prabhuji.
You will be giving a class.
Yes, Prabhuji. Sure, Prabhuji.
Okay, Mother. Chalo, you all have a safe and wonderful day. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Thank you, Prabhuji.